Food is something we just have to do. It's not something we need to think about. But over the years, people have been developing their food. In the 60s, British people started traveling to Spain and exploring a little bit. But they would go to Spain, and you know what they asked for? British food. They would ask for fish and chips. And the thing is, they would go to Spain, ask for fish and chips, and then they want it traditional like in England. And this would mean fish and chips in newspaper. It's true. We used to have fish and chips. They used to get the newspapers. You put the fish and chips in the newspaper, and then you give it to the customer. I remember this. I remember when I was a child eating the chips and the fish, and then at the end, the very last chips, it would have, because of all the grease, you could read the newspaper on the chips because the ink would transfer. Lovely ink. But nowadays it's all very different. Saturday morning, when I used to be a kid, I used to watch Spider-Man. I used to watch Superman, all the cartoons. Now on television in the morning, you have cookery programs. When you go to a bookshop, the top 10 books, at least 5 will be a recipe book by Jamie Oliver or Gordon Ramsay. British people are trying to change the way that they think about food. Okay? Now, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you some of the more traditional things, and then I'm going to show you some of the other things that maybe you don't know about. Okay? My objective is not to tell you that British food is delicious. You have your opinion. But this is just to show you a little bit more of what we have to offer. Okay? So, we wake up in the morning, we need something very important to give us energy for the day. So, we have something like this. Anybody know what this is? There's more than bacon and eggs on this.
Sausage.
Do you know what the name of this is?
British breakfast.
The British breakfast. Okay, the British breakfast. Now, we have got another word for the British breakfast. We can say that the British breakfast is called a fry-up. So we've got here a little collocation for you. Okay, a fry-up. Now, why is it called a fry-up? I will explain. Here we have, what do we have? Not quite have bacon. Okay, bacon. So how do you think we cook the bacon? Fried. Good. 1 point. And we have here sausages. And how do you cook the sausages? Fried. Okay. Over here we have a tomato. And how do you think we cook the tomato? Fried. Okay, very good. And over here we have an omelette. Come on. We have a fried egg. Fried. Over here we have toast. We have toast, which is not fried, obviously. But we can also have French toast. Now, French toast sounds very romantic, very suave. But French toast is bread, which is fried. So you can have fried bread. Over here we've got, any idea what this is? Yeah, we do have beans here. Yeah, gives us all lots of energy for the day. And then here, this thing, some people like to have